Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I just want to talk about, is it impossible to to have two lives, okay, two live video simultaneously on YouTube? Yes, it is allowed by YouTube, and you just feel free to doing that. You can check some very big news, maybe ABC News or anything. Sometimes there are videos that goes live, three or four videos live, and it's allowed by YouTube, no problem at all. But the thing is, why you should live two video simultaneously at one time? I don't know what your preference is, but I think if you are small YouTuber like me, that's not really boost your views, since you're not we're not a big persona, we're not have a big fans. But for news, might be they broadcast live to another country, such as this is from for US, this is for Arabs, maybe this is for Africa, this is for English people, and so on and so on. I don't know what your preference is, but I think if you are small YouTuber, I think no need to think about this live to video simultaneously. Okay, once again, it's allowed. Feel free. It's up to you, but you just think about it. Is it effective to boost up your views or not? That's it. Very simple video. Only I'm only answering that people asking about this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.